Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the U.S. state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google Account Lock security feature on an Android device, also known as the FRP lock for factory reset protection. Now, here with us today, we happen to have the Canadian version of the Samsung Galaxy A32, and this is a device that does indeed have the Google Account Lock enabled, because as we can see here, as we're going through the setup steps, we get to the screen that tells us that the device was factory reset, and to continue, we have to sign in either by verifying the previous screen lock PIN that was used, or if we tap on Use My Google Account instead, it will also give us the option to sign in with the Google account that was previously on the device. So we've been contacted by tons of customers looking for assistance with this specific issue on this specific model, usually either because they themselves accidentally got locked out of their own device and couldn't remember or recover their login information after having done a factory reset, or because they purchased the device used from a dishonest seller who didn't tell them that the device was locked. And then after the purchase, the buyer discovered the device was locked, and obviously they weren't going to have any of the login information of the previous user, and in those cases the seller has usually long since disappeared, since it's a very common scam that happens all the time these days in the buying and selling of used mobile devices. But we're making this video to let any interested customers know that we do offer a service to be able to remove this lock from this exact model without having to have the previous user's login information. It's something that we do directly to the device while it's plugged into a computer, and the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to your computer through the internet and perform the exact same procedure that we're doing right now here with this one. So actually, before starting the video, we had already done 99% of the work necessary to remove the lock. We just left off on the last step so that you guys could see that the device was indeed locked as proof that we can indeed do this. Now that we've plugged it in to finish up the last step of the process, after the phone reboots here, we should be able to see that it actually goes directly to the home screen and skips the setup process entirely, thereby removing the Google account lock for us. So yep, as you can see here now, when it starts up, it goes directly to the lock screen. And so if we go ahead and swipe that away, there we go. We are at the home screen. We have access to all of the apps and settings and features, and this is just like a brand new device that never had the lock on there. While we're here, we're going to go ahead and jump into the settings just to show and verify exactly which model we're working with here. So when we go under About Device, or About Phone, we can indeed see that we have a Galaxy A32 5G, and then the model number there, the A326W, that is the model number of the Canadian version of the A32. So, if you have one of these Canadian A32s and need help getting the Google lock removed from it, we would love to assist you with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all of the details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all of the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.